We're here at the Apple Valley restaurant. It is just afternoon, Sweet Pea. Let's go. Getting some food. Look at that fish sandwich. Oh my goodness. We gotta get all the angles. Oh my gosh. They have these things called sidewinders. They're like potatoes, fried potatoes. Katie wanted a hot dog. Look at the size of Mom's sandwich. Look at that sandwich. Oh, we love this place. So we're headed to Cades Cove. We're gonna go hiking to Abrams Falls. Finally!
Maybe we'll make it.
After all this time.
This is now my third attempt.
Maybe it'll take Dad being here to pull it off.
It should be very, very thick waterfall for all the rain and stuff.
Yeah, it'll be a really lush waterfall. I don't know, what do you say? Full, lush, thick? What do you say for a waterfall?
Thick.
That's question of the day. Thick waterfall. As soon as we drove into Cades Cove, look at this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you're right. 9 deer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Do you see him, Buddy Bear?
Wow. As soon as we drove in, they're all right there.
8.
Then there's some way over here too. 2 more deer over here. Wow. So that's 17, right? 17 deer, 16 turkey.
Okay, babe, update us on how many we've seen.
We have seen 20 turkey and 24 deer, 2 of which were buck. And I think each of them was either a 6 or 8 point buck. We've never seen this many, at least with the deer, we've never seen this many deer out in the open, wide out in the open. More deer. We're up to 27 deer and 22 turkey now. Okay, we're to Abrams Falls hiking trailhead. 2.5 miles, moderately difficult, 3 to 4 hour hike. No restrooms or drinking water. Pack out your litter. No pets, no bicycles.
Oh, no pets!
Yeah, Sparky had to stay home, I know. This river is beautiful. Look at that beautiful river.
Oh, look at that.
What, babe?
Look at the ice under the log.
Oh, I see it. There's ice everywhere still. Yep, ice there and ice everywhere.
When we're about to walk and I find this stick.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna find so much.
We're at 3/4 of a mile.
I mean, this is where we stopped.
This is where you stopped last time with the kids. We're going a full 2.5. Yep. Actually, I remember editing that and seeing that. We found icicles.
Yeah.
Might be time to get your gloves back on.
It's a long one.
Oh, that is a long one.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Careful, don't get too close to the edge.
Okay, we are less than at 1/20th of a mile away from the falls.
I didn't love those kind of bread.
For really close now. Grab the arm rail, grab the rail, nice and slow. Nice and slow. What? Look over there. We made it. You guys see it?
Yay!
We made it.
Oh, you're kidding me, man!
Are you kidding me, man?
Young, I like it because it's the first time we've ever been here with nobody here.
Really? Nice and slow, everybody. Oh my goodness. All these years and my family never came here. Barb's gonna flip. My sister is gonna flip when she sees this. I don't think we ever came here. Wow. 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 This is beautiful. Unbelievably beautiful. And those falls just go into this beautiful pool, probably 20 feet deep. It goes down that way. Yeah, baby. I know, look at all the, you see that? I know, I saw those too. Those icicles are hanging off that tree. Well, we're gonna see how close we can get. We gotta stay safe. Let's see if we can get there safely. Mommy and I will see if it's safe. It feels pretty. I mean, whoa, I just stepped in some ice. Very careful. Other than the ice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not safe. Turn back.
We almost
Woo,
fell in water!
I know. Okay, I guess that means that one out there is not safe, right? And now I'm over here. But I had to get this shot. Look at this shot. It's almost creating snow in the air. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Just for some perspective, these icicles are easily 7 feet tall. They're way taller than me. The kids wanted to come over here, but it's probably not safe. Too much ice on the way over. It's hard enough to get me over here by myself. And then you have snow across the river forming on all of these trees. And some of it's wind blasted to the right. That's amazing.
Daddy's taking them one at a time. Caleb said, if I don't go over there, I didn't see the whole thing. Oh my word. So dangerous. Oh man, I'm gonna have to watch this 4 times. Whoa, you got a big piece of ice. You guys do.
How cool was that?
I wasn't scared at all.
Oh, bet not. That was pretty cool. We made it. We made it. Look, it's the bridge. We're back at the beginning. Wow, was this tough coming back. Really
Like,
tough.
oh, it's easier coming down.
No, it was tougher coming down. Holy cow, is it tough. Abrams Falls kicked our butt, but we made it. You okay? No? Come on, let's go to the car. Oh, I can't even take a step here. Hands cold? Put them in your pocket. Put them in your pocket. Hey, man. Yeah, I know what you mean. What's that way? We've been there. Mom took you there. Elijah Falls or Elijah Overlook? Elijah House? Elijah Cabin? I don't know. Did you think we would make it? You did? I doubted it. Not gonna lie, I doubted it at one point. It's starting to get dark too.
We hiked 5 miles.
5 miles.
With 4 kids under 10.
Yes, it can be done. I don't know if I'd recommend it, but it can be done.
One adult with 4 kids cannot do that.
Yeah, no, that takes 2 adults, plenty of water.
Everybody left except.
I know. There's only 2 cars in the parking lot left, and we're one of them. What a long walk today. 5 miles. I still can't believe we did that. We are at Texas Roadhouse though for dinner. We're gonna eat back all those 800 calories we burned. No wait. No wait at all. This is what a meal looks like for us. We hope you enjoyed this video. We're exhausted, so tired. Belly's filled. You know, I'm gonna be hurting tomorrow so bad, so bad. The kids are like, why, Dad? I'm like, you'll understand when you're a little older.
30s.
Yeah, in your 30s, that's right. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, share. Don't forget to hit the join button. We love you guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye!